Have you ever wondered where your files actually go when you press save? It feels obvious. You click a button, and your computer quietly puts everything into a folder somewhere. Your photos, your passwords, your messages, safe, waiting for you to come back. That's exactly how I imagined it for years. Then I started building my own software, and one question completely broke that idea. If someone creates an account in my app right now, where does that data actually go? Which folder? Which file? Which computer? I could see my code sending the information away, but I had no idea where it ended up. The answer surprised me. Most apps don't save information the way we save documents. They store it inside something called a database. I always thought a database was just a fancy storage box. It's not. It's more like an incredibly organized library. Instead of throwing files into folders, every piece of information becomes a record. Users, posts, comments, orders, messages. Everything has a place, a relationship, and a way to be found almost instantly. Imagine Instagram. It doesn't just remember a photo. It remembers who uploaded it, who liked it, who commented on it, who can see it, and how to find it again in milliseconds. That's not just storage. That's organization. And that's why databases exist. A normal file can remember data. A database remembers how everything connects. Without it, your bank couldn't track your balance. Spotify couldn't remember your playlists. YouTube couldn't remember your subscriptions. Every app would forget who you are the moment it restarted. The biggest lie about the save button isn't that it saves your data. It's that it makes us imagine our information is sitting inside a folder somewhere. In reality, it becomes part of a much larger system designed to organize, search, protect, and remember millions, sometimes billions, of pieces of information. The more software I build, the less computers feel like machines, and the more they feel like giant libraries, where every piece of data has its own place, and every question has an answer waiting to be found. So the next time you press save, remember this. You're not putting a file into a folder. You're adding another record to a story that millions of databases are quietly keeping alive every second.